Okay, for the fuel filter, we're going to loosen the bracket that holds the fuel filter on there first. Remove the two 8mm bolts. Now we're going to loosen the clamp that goes around the filter. Now these two on each side, they're going to have these little white retainer clips. I'm going to remove those. Don't worry if you break these. The new K&N filter comes with replacement plastic pieces. Now we're ready to remove the hose from the filter and plug it into our new filter. You're gonna want to do this fast because fuel is going to come out of there. There may not be that much that comes out of ours. We just got done replacing the fuel pump inside the tank. But you're going to want to do it fast. Make sure you have iPro, have something to soak up, some towels or something. Okay, a little more fuel than I expected. Now we'll replace our plastic lines, plastic retainer clips. Side. Now we'll reattach the bracket. Finally, tighten that hose clamp back up.